Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a delivery lorry. First, I'm drawing the wheels of the lorry. This is going to be a colorful lorry.
Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus.
It's a huge lorry. This lorry is carrying strawberries. Let's draw the strawberry. I love strawberries.
Beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus.
Let's color now. Blue, red, orange, yellow, light green.
People on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town.
Orange, red, green, pink, blue, green, purple, yellow. Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.